Vaapad. A cocktail tribute to Mace Windu from Star Wars, Jedi Master, and the only one in the Order to wield a purple blade. This is a deep royal purple drink, composed and commanding on the surface with a controlled edge of danger held just underneath. Spirit forward, stirred, and crystal clear. Let's make it. Slowly. Precisely. 6 elements. Reposado tequila or aged rum, creme de violette, chinar, fresh lemon juice, blackberry syrup, and 2 dashes of aromatic bitters. The balance is everything. 2 ounces of reposado tequila, or aged rum if you prefer. This is the disciplined backbone. Mace is the most controlled senior combat master on the council. Structured, uncompromising, no soft edges. Espolon Reposado keeps it precise. An aged rum like Appleton gives you the same discipline, with a little more warmth. Half an ounce of creme de violette, the purple blade, the only one of its color in the Order. A deliberate, unmistakable royal violet, chosen to stand out. Then a 1/4 ounce of blackberry syrup for the depth and weight beneath the color, the dark fruit richness under the violet. No violette. Lychee liqueur with 2 drops of purple coloring gets you close. Now Vaapad itself, a precise 1/4 ounce of chinar. The 7th form channels the wielder's own inner darkness as fuel, walking the edge of the dark side without falling in. Present, powerful, but held in perfect control. Too much, and the drink turns harsh, consumed by the darkness. The exact 1/4 ounce is the technique. Add a 1/4 ounce of fresh lemon for the edge and 2 dashes of bitters for the resolve. Chill a coupe and rim it with silver luster dust for the lightsaber hilt, or leave it clean. Mace doesn't need decoration. Add the reposado, creme de violette, chinar, lemon, blackberry syrup, and bitters to a mixing glass with ice. Stir for 30 seconds. Slowly and precisely, Mace does nothing without control. Strain into the coupe. The drink should be a deep, clear, royal purple. Then express a long citrus peel over the surface, the snap hiss of the blade igniting, and drop it in. The blade is lit. Spirit forward and structured, aged warmth, floral violet, a deliberate bitter edge that lingers without taking over, blackberry depth, and a whisper of lemon. Sophisticated, controlled, quietly dangerous, total authority. This party's over. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.